I know it's dark, but can you guess what's for dinner? It's beef. Ribeye. They're just about ready to be flipped, I believe.
Or turned?
Yeah, or turned. This is Christmas night 2020. Yeah. And no better place to be other than a bonfire when you can have that option. We're going to stuff some baked potatoes that we have in the house. Can't beat ribeyes with a stuffed baked potato. Have a great day. Take them off. They're done.
Quarter turn?
You already quarter turned them.
On the other side.
Okay, we'll give them a quick quarter turn. They're done though.
Oh,
They're medium rare at least.
give it that way a minute.
These steaks probably look like they're really majorly frying, but they're not. But they are. It's dark, or I'd get a picture of it in the light, but I guarantee the metal's going to be very pink. So y'all have a great Christmas evening. Have a good New Year's. This is Off Grid Gary. Bye.